limited to a production run of just 500 for 2018. The Subaru BRZ TS tuned by STI is the new benchmark version of the company's rear-wheel drive sports coupe. This dialed-in BRZ offers more grip and control than ever before, while retaining the brilliant car's familiar well-balanced character. A spoiler alert, though, if you've always thought the BRZ needs another 100 horsepower, you'll come away from the TS experience with that belief intact. Highs: stickier tires, firmer suspension, razor-sharp steering. Lows: still no more power, only 500 units. Subaru and STI engineers described their goal in tuning the BRZ TS as pure handling delight. A mission simply stated but difficult to achieve in a car already well known for its precision and balance. To reach its goal, Subaru has extensively tweaked the chassis. The Sax dampers of the BRZ Limited's available performance package have been tuned to work with 18-inch STI wheels and, finally, stickier 215/40ths R18 Michelin Pilot Sport 4 tires.
Everybody get your hands up. Everybody get your hands up.